Hi, welcome. So in this lecture, I'll talk about the topic checking out tags. Now, at the very outset, I want to say that you can't really check out a tag in Git. However, you can create a new branch at a specific tag. So let's start off with a working example. As you can see here, we are continuing with the demo tag repository with which we have been working in this section so far. So let's execute our git log command. I'll retrieve an earlier command and press enter. So you can see there are several tags over here. Now let's try to check out a tag and let's see what's the outcome. We'll choose this tag for our purpose. So this tag is v-1.8-rc1. So let's try to check out the particular tag which I showed you right now. Git checkout v-1.8-rc1. Press enter and here you go. As you can see here, checking out on a particular tag puts you in a detached head state. And this is what Git says us explicitly. So this is what we do not want. So I'll quit from here using git checkout master. Press enter and we are back to our master branch. Let me clear the screen. So even though explicitly checking out a tag doesn't really work out in our favor, as I said, we can always create a branch and then check out at that tag. So let me show you how to do that. So we do git checkout -b, and since we want to create the branch at this particular tag, let's name our branch as branch v-1.8 and then we provide the name of the tag. So let me copy the name of the tag and paste it over here. Press enter and here you are. So I have created a branch and checked out this branch at the tag v-1.8-rc1. So let's do a side-by-side comparison using two git bash consoles. So I have opened another console for the same repository and I will execute the git log command once again. Press enter and here you are. So here is our comparison. So I have opened two consoles. So this is console 1 and this is console 2. So console 1 presents us the git log information over here prior to creation of the branch v-1.8 at this particular tag. And console 2 presents us the git log information over here after creation of the branch at this tag. Now you can directly compare between the two consoles. So the comparison between the two consoles shows us that the head now points to branch v-1.8 at this particular commit ID instead of this commit ID. Okay, so now the comparison is done. Let me clear the screen and let me make a modification to the file index.html. So we'll simply modify the title over here and the title will be tag checkout demo. Let's save and quit and let's do an express commit using git commit -a-m and our commit message is branch v-1.8. We modified the title and the file involved is index.html. Codes close and the commit is done. Let's clear the screen and let's switch back to master branch. Press enter and let's re-execute the git log command. So I retrieve an earlier command, press enter and here you are. Now let's do a comparison once again. So console 1 represents the git log information after we did our commit for the file index.html and console 2 represents our git log information prior to the commit. So you can clearly see now the head points to this commit ID when we are at the branch v-1.8 and the master branch and the branch v-1.8 both have diverged. So let me clear the screen, and now that our commit is done, we can switch back to master branch, press enter, and we'll simply merge the branch v-1.8. So git merge branch v-1.8, press enter. So you have a conflict here. We'll simply run our merge tool. So git merge tool, press enter, and as you can see here, we have a single conflict. And for us, the tag checkout demo is a good option for the title, so we'll accept that, and hence we'll click the blue button over here and the conflict is resolved. Let's click the save button over here and we'll quit. So file, exit. So let's execute a git status command now that we have resolved our conflicts. So you have the modified index.html. We'll simply commit away this particular change using git commit -am, and simple commit message is committed index.html after conflict resolution. Press enter, and here you go. Our conflict has been resolved. So now that we are done with our merging, we'll simply delete our branch, git branch -d, and then the branch is branch v-1.8. Press enter, and let's re-execute our git log command once again. And here you can see our git log displaying our commit history. So with this, we conclude this lecture.